Welcome back to another video, guys, out here today, and I am happy to announce that we are doing our first giveaway on the channel. Now we'll go over the details here in a minute, but we are going to be giving away a VMS 50 caliber bullet antenna. Now we have two identical ones. One we're going to review, put on this truck today. I already have one, but it's just old. It's time to get it updated, and then we're going to be giving away the same exact antenna to one of you guys at home. Now all you have to do to enter is one, subscribe to this channel, and two, leave a comment down below. The giveaway is going to start today and it is going to end on November 20th, so you have about a week and a half to get entered. I'll be putting a lot of information on my Instagram, so if you don't follow me there, I'll link it up here in the top as well. But like I mentioned, these are VMS 50 caliber bullet antennas. They're anti-theft. They're supposed to be one of the best bullet antennas on the market. If you have one and yours is old, it's just time to upgrade. If you don't have one, it's a great addition. Small things matter on these trucks, so we're going to be opening this up, taking a look at it, and then getting it installed. Alrighty, so in the kit you do get a nice little VMS sticker. You get your 50 cal bullet antenna, and once again this is identical to the giveaway one. It comes with all of your different adapters for different model trucks, as well as a GMC adapter because it is a little bit different. So here's my old one. I'll give you a close-up of it, put this side by side, kind of get a comparison, and then we're gonna get to installing. And just like that, takes less than 5 minutes to get this thing on. Just unscrew your old one, put the new one on. It is anti-theft, so you can really crank it down if you want to. It does come with the wrench to do everything. Once again, any truck, any make and model, they have tons of adapters for them, and it's all included in the little package. I think it looks way better. It does have the copper coil inside that I showed you when we put it on, and it's supposed to help boost the radio signal to give you the closest thing to your stock antenna as possible. So once again, all you have to do to enter, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment down below. November 20th is going to be the deadline for entries, so you have about a week and a half to get entered. So once again, thanks everybody for 1,500 subscribers. We're going to be doing more giveaways the more subscribers we get, so make sure you stay tuned. Lots of videos to come. Otherwise, we're going to leave you here. See you later.